Guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this Halloween Purge inspired look. This is Caitlin, my sister, and she's going to be our model for today, and we're going to be doing this Purge look. So first I'm just adding some foundation, and it's just any foundation that you have, preferably like, you know, any type of darker foundation, just so it looks like a mask or something. So here I'm just blending that out, just blending, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So this is a look that we're going to try to achieve, and I'm going to be using the ABH dark brown pomade to fill in her brows. Then I'm going to be using the NYX black pomade to make shadows around her eyes, and you know, filling them in just like that, filling them in. And then I'm going to be using the James Charles palette and use the black eyeshadow. And here I'm just wiping the fallout that was, you know, falling out, and just went back with some foundation from the beginning. And then I'm going to be using this pencil in light brown to create like a line and around her face like a mask, and then blending it out. I'm going to be blending that out. So now I'm going to be using that James Charles palette, and it's in the shade dark brown, and I'm going to create these contour cheekbones. And then I'm going to be using this red matte lipstick from ColourPop, and going to try to overline her lips. And then I'm going to use the NYX white base on, like, cover her whole bottom lip. And then I'm gonna go back with that red ColourPop red lipstick and underline her lip, kind of go under and make her lip look bigger than what it really is. And then after that, I'm gonna be using the NYX white eyeliner to create these little glossy, like if her, you know, she has light reflecting like a mask. And then I'm gonna go back with a concealer and clean those contouring. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Become part of the fam, and stay tuned for more looks. I mean, let me know what you guys want to see, and yeah, stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Bye.